Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create Fairycore image style on Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is to create an account with Higgsfield.ai, and or if you already have an account, just log in, hit the Higgsfield show section and scroll and choose the Fairycore. Let me show you what it looks like. So once you click on it, it will bring you to a page like this where the subject appears in like a fairy. So you can see glittery woodland fantasy. So the keyword here is fantasy, innocence, and magical sparkles. So you can see how the subject appears to be glowing and looks like a ghost in a way. So you can click on any of these images to actually recreate an image that will be very similar to that image, or you can click on generate to actually generate an original image for yourself in case you already have a base prompt you want to impute. So you can impute your prompt here and then click on the height to change the resolution of what you would have, the picture you would have created for you. You can also change the aspect ratio from 3 by 4 to 9 by 16 and 16 by 9. You can choose any of these and then you will have it. Your image will be generated for you in the next few seconds. You can also animate it by adding video or speech to it and then download it to your device by clicking on this download button. So that will be all for now, guys. I would update you as time goes by. If you have any question concerning Higgsfield AI, let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you there. Also, we are actively trying to grow our channel. Please, we will appreciate your subscription. Thank you very much and do have a great day, guys. Drink a lot of water.